But another thing in 2026 I think people need to do is partner up. Now, this is something that a lot of people need to do. I'm gonna be honest with you. A lot of y'all don't have businesses because y'all too busy trying to do it all on your own. And that's just is what it is. And frankly, I don't want to do shit alone no more. Every business I got right now, outside of my agency, has a partner. I have a partner in it. This studio, I have partners. My print company, I have partners. Businesses like the other businesses that I can't say, that I have partners in most of my businesses. And that just is what it is. So I don't do shit alone no more. And some of these people are silent investors. Some of these people they putting sweat equity in like me. Either way, I don't do nothing alone. And I think y'all should stop trying to do shit alone. And I get on Threads, I get on Facebook and Instagram, and I see so many people doing stuff alone. And a lot of times sometimes people don't want to do it alone. And but they don't want to relinquish power either. For me, I always tell people to work with me, bro, this is your shit. Do what you have to do. Take initiative on your shit, bro. Like, if we come together on something, you got to put that grind in just as much as I got to put that grind in. You got to put that work in just as much. It's as much as your shit is mine. Even if it is my idea. You got to, that's just how that's how it works, I'm telling you. But you can't do nothing alone. And I think a lot of people are really doing a lot of shit alone. And you just run yourself through the mud. It's not sustainable, too. That's another thing. This shit is not sustainable. And you lower your impact. So, y'all just need to stop doing shit alone, man. And that's the reason why I always tell people I carpool my dreams. In my last book I wrote, Creative Against All Odds, I have a chapter in there called Carpool Your Dreams. And that's exactly what it means. It means getting together with people, like-minded individuals, and going after what you want. And that's what I've always tried to do. I told y'all in the beginning of this, is like, when I started my agency, I tried to do it with 6 other people. I tried to do this shit with 6 other people. And they just didn't stick around because I don't know why, but they didn't. And some of them still my friends. All of them are still my friends, but it is what it is. It's like, so, but you can't do none of this shit alone. Everybody wants to do it alone, and some of it is ego. A lot of it's ego. You're in your own fucking way. And, you won't grow like that. You really won't. Honestly, your business won't even grow like that. A lot of people do it alone, but you can't, man. I'm sorry. You got to partner with people. And then why not do it from the jump? Why not put your money in together, to get more? If you about to start a business, you have $5,000, get somebody else to start a business that got $5,000. And you know how far you can do? You know how much you can accomplish with 10 grand to start a business? Do you know how much you can do? I'm telling you, y'all gotta partner with people.
My business making M's, cutting checks, it's on the table. Investing in yourself is nothing greater. Now my business making M's. Peep the rising of the stock, flipping digits, we the cream of the